Okay, I think it's sleeting? I'm not sure. I put my hand out, but it doesn't feel like gravel. Because, you know, gravel is like soft, but this is like tingy. So I think, yeah, this is sleet. This is sleet. Getting some sleet right now. I don't know if you can see my hand. Yep, sleet's falling. Heavy sleet, look at that. Heavy sleet and rain. What's it doing now? Is it hailing? No, just sleet. Just sleet and ice. I don't know if you can see, but it's already trying to wipe the ground over there. I've seen gravel, hail, snow, rain all in Albuquerque, but this is the first time I'm seeing sleet in Albuquerque. First time seeing sleet. I've seen everything else. Oh, it's hailing. It is hailing. I don't know if you can see it on the ground, but it's hailing. Looks pretty. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's hailing. It's like, you can't see it because it's dark, but it's about pea size right now. Maybe dime size. Ah, it's hitting me. Ow. The wind's making it go sideways. Oh, that is hitting me. What is this, bro? It's moving so fast. Look at it. The wind is just... going sideways. Sleet, hail, all that stuff. Look at it. If you can't hear it, the wind's so hard that the sleet and hail. Look at all that now. You can't see it. But yeah, it's pushing against so hard the wind. Camera's getting blurry. Sorry about this camera. I don't know what's wrong. Ooh, everything is white right now. Now you can see everything in white, even I don't have night mode on video, so of course you couldn't see it before, but yeah, now everything's covered in sleet and snow and gross stuff. It's like a blizzard out here. And like I said, that's not snow right there, that is sleet and hail falling. That's not snow. Maybe a few snowflakes mixing in, but that's mostly sleet and hard hail. Look how much it's accumulated. Still can't see it on the thing. Oh my goodness, this pain in the rocks. Let's see this. I am so cold. Oh, so cold out here. I know it may not seem like a lot, but it is like 38 degrees out here. I know that's not cold at all, but with those wind chills, with the winds, look at that. It feels like 20s out here. Ooh, I can hear those wind gusts. You hear those? Those are wind gusts right there. Powerful, look at that. Hear those wind gusts, guys. Now you can see the chair, and now you can see the stove a little.